Your first step in assembling the car is to attach the 4 motors to one of the boards. The boards are the exact same, it doesn't matter which one you choose. Front and back are virtually identical. I don't know which one's front, which one's back. There's 4 holes here, 3 holes there. I think it's just a design choice, whichever one you decide to be front. I prefer to have the extra holes at the back because I want my control board at the back, extra mounting possibilities. It's really not a big deal. These motors here, you can see they have attachments where wires will attach. This is where the power is going to come from to power these motors. You can have them facing out. I prefer facing in so that the wires aren't on the outside of the car. Now the heads of these, where the actual motor part is, not the gears, are all facing the center of the car. You can see the cutout on the board matches that. We're not putting that wheel in there, but you can see it does match that. And you need the wheels to match the hole here. So it's important you have them in the right direction. So all 4 are facing the center, and you have the connections in the center, facing the inside of the car. It'll look something like that when completed and then fastened on.